Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bukola. In today's video I'll be talking about l'esenzione and how you can auto certify and how you can cancel your esenzione online. So what is esenzione? Parliamo un po' di esenzione, ticket exemptions. So there are different type of exemptions. We have the medical health exemption, we have the income exemption, we have the rare disease exemption, chronic illness exemptions, disability exemptions, exemptions for pregnancy, free HIV tests. There are different types of medical exemptions. So per quanto riguarda le esenzioni per reddito, that is the income exemption. Anyone with personal and social condition can ask for the income exemption. So how can you there are different categories of exemptions, as I said earlier. So there is the exemption, the code E01 exemption, which is for citizens under the age of 6 and over 65 years belonging to a family unit with a total annual income not exceeding 36,151 euros thereabouts. So there are different type of exemptions for unemployed people and social pension holders. Okay, so to do the exemption, you can auto certify or you can go to ASL, which is Azienda Sanitaria Locale. Each region has their own law. Each region has its own regarding the exemption. So you need to ask for information. You can check online regarding your health exemption. So since I live in the Lombardy region, which is Regione Lombardia, if you live in the Regione Lombardia too, you can go check it in the fasciculum sanitario page. Okay, so to check the esenzione and all that, I'll be going to Google and type fascicolo sanitario Lombardia, and this is the website. So I'm going to click Entra con SPID. I will be logging in with my SPID. Okay, acconsento. Okay, so now that I'm logged in, I'm going to go to Gestisci. As you can see here, you can see prenotazioni, esenzioni, you can see cambio medico, you can even change your doctor online, and you can make any payments. You can book for your medical visits, exams online. I already have a video on how you can do that, and you can check it out. So I'm going to go to esenzioni. For privacy reasons, I won't be showing a lot of details, but going to esenzioni. So now that I'm in, as I said earlier, like I said, you can consult your type of esenzione. So this person was having the E12 esenzione, and she wants to cancel esenzione. So what we're going to do now, as you can see here, there's Scarica in case you want to download it, and there is revocare. Revocare means to cancel it. Okay, so we'll click on revoca. So here it says: puoi revocare l'esenzione per reddito selezionata che sono venute meno nel corso della validità dell'esenzione, le condizioni penitenziarie della stessa. Devi immediatamente darne comunicazione revocando. Se vuoi revocare l'esenzione, clicca sul pulsante avanti e procedi con l'operazione. So if you want to cancel your exemption, your medical exemption, you click on avanti. So here I'm going to click on avanti, and here is going to give you, here is saying everything about the person and the type of esenzione the person has and all that. So if you are sure of everything, you click on dichiaro. Okay, so now it says l'operazione è stata eseguita con successo, so it has been cancelled successfully. So you can download the file, okay, so that you can present it in case maybe in the future. So yeah, I'm going to click prosegui. So now it's showing that I don't have any now it's showing that there are no longer esenzione. So you can still click and choose your type of esenzione here. So there are, as you can see, there are different type of esenzione. We have the EO2, which is for unemployed families, and their dependent family. So for pensioners, for unemployed people, and for those that are in casa di integrazione. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any question, you can always leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Grazie e ciao.